Today I'm showing you how to make your own custom QR codes that you could use for your websites or social medias or a plethora of other things. I even have a cool thing to show you today that you can use QR codes in your home. This tutorial will work whether you're using a Windows computer, a Mac, an iPhone, and Android. It's all going to be the same steps, but I'm going to be using my computer. So let's get started. So first step is just open up any browser. I'm going to open up Google Chrome. Basically all we're going to do is go to this specific website that is qr-code-generator.com, just like that. This is what it looks like on desktop, and this is what it looks like on mobile. It'll work the same exact way. So as you can see right away, we don't have to sign into an account or anything. We could just go ahead and make a QR code. So if you want to do a URL to a specific website, you could select the URL and just type your website, and then there's a few other options here. So for this example, I'll just do a link to my YouTube channel, just like that, and you'll see the QR code appear on the right hand side. You can select some different frames to put it in, like this basic Scan Me version. There are some other frames here that require you to sign up and potentially pay for them, but you're perfectly fine just using the free ones. As you can see, you could change some of the shape and colors, and you could even include an image or a logo inside the QR code, which is cool. So when you're all finished, you just go ahead and click download JPEG. If you want a better quality, you could do print quality, but I believe that makes you sign up for an account. So if I go ahead and click download, this pop-up will appear basically asking me to log in. But I found that you don't even have to log in. It just downloads regardless. You'll see in this top corner, it just downloaded. It kind of makes you feel like you have to sign in, but you don't. You could just exit out of that. So now if I go into my downloads folder, you'll see the QR code that we just created. Now to use that QR code, people just have to open up their camera app on their phone, point it at this, a little pop-up will appear, they can click on it, and it'll go to whatever website or whatever thing you connected to this QR code. So that's the basics. The cool thing I want to show you was if you go back to the website and you go to the tab that says Wi-Fi right here, you can create a QR code that you can then put into like a picture frame or something and put it up in your house. And so that when guests come over, whenever they ask you for your Wi-Fi, they could just go ahead and scan that QR code and they'll connect automatically rather than you having to go find the password or tell them the name of the router and stuff like that. So in order to do that, it's really simple. Next to network name, where it says SSID, you're just going to type in whatever your Wi-Fi shows up as on people's settings. Make sure you spell it exactly the same. So long as you do that, it should work fine. Then you go ahead and type the Wi-Fi password down here, and there's an encryption option. Most likely you're going to just be on this one, WPA/WPA2. That's going to work for like 99% of people. But yeah, if you fill out that information, you click generate QR code, you go through the same steps of downloading it. You can then go ahead and print it out, and it's just a cool thing for your guests to easily connect to your Wi-Fi. So that's everything for this video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, click like, consider subscribing to my channel here, and I'll see you in the next video.